So that annoying thing they call a washer is acting up? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. No tools, no money, or even any experience needed. If you got a Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, Crosley, Maytag, or another similar brand, you likely have the same computer system inside, even if yours looks different than the ones you see here. These washers are known as vertical modular washers. They're usually the cheapest ones on the market. That is a great thing for you, because most repairs are quick, easy, cheap, and sometimes even for free. Watch, let me show you a no-money repair trick right now no one knows. Wait, first make sure you're not wasting your time. Look at your top load washer's control panel. If you see 6 lights in a row and your lid locks, you got a VMW washer. If not, get out of here, buddy. Run for it. Step 1. You want to put the washer into diagnostic mode. Here's how. Turn the dial all the way up to 12 o'clock with the washer turned off, so no lights are showing. Within 6 seconds, turn the dial 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and 1 more click to the right. If the lights start blinking, you're in diagnostic mode. If not, try again and again. You got to move fast. Step 2. Recalibration. Once the lights are blinking, it's time to put into recalibration mode. Here's what to do. Turn the dial 4 clicks to the right and hit the start button. Congratulations, you're done. You're officially a boss. High five yourself. Now wait for 2 to 3 minutes for the washer to run all its functions real quickety split, then it stops, and the lid will unlock. Go ahead and try using it like normal. That means it worked. If it didn't, you got some issues, buddy. But don't worry. You just need to watch the next video to pull and read the error codes. And if you're thinking about buying a new washer, we've got a little known hack that will save you thousands of dollars. Watch the other video popping up right about now at the end of this one. Oh, and hey, if this did get your washer going again, make sure to run the recalibration one more time with no clothes in it to factory reset it properly. One last thing, amigo, be aware this means future issues are on the way. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you save some money, share the love by hitting the super thanks button to leave a donation. Good luck and bye for now.